So this is the easement between my house and my neighbors. And last year when they started bolting, I left a big mistake. It's very invasive. And actually my border, I have a wooden border that's right about here. So that's how much, about 18 inches came over, and I can barely walk. I have to walk on her property to get to my backyard. See, there's my gate line. So I will be cutting these back. Most of them I'm going to try to pull up from the root. Interesting bug. Oh, that's a fly. As much as I can, because I do not want them to keep multiplying. They are beautiful. I haven't noticed that they attract bees or butterflies, but they do attract flies. So there's another fly. So this will become